Assalamu alaikum, my dear students and my dear viewers. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic and the last topic of the chapter, which is called isomerism. Now, what is isomerism? Definition of isomerism. The word isomerism means iso means same, and mer mean part or molecule. Mer mean part, unit or molecule. Now what is the definition of isomerism? Two or more molecules having same molecular formula but different structure formula is called isomer, and the phenomenon is called isomerism. My dear students, simple molecules, for example methane, ethane and propane, they don't have any isomer. It requires at least 4 carbon atom, that is butane. Butane molecular formula C4H10, it has 2 isomers, N-butane and isobutane. N means straight chain, isobutane means branch chain. We will discuss the nomenclature of organic compound in detail in the next chapter, in the next video inshallah. And there you may see it is straight chain and it is branch chain. Both have same molecular formula C4H10, but their structure formula is different. With the increase of carbon atom, isomers also increases rapidly. With the increase of carbon atoms, isomers also increases rapidly. For example, alkane with 30 carbon atom show around 4 billion isomers. 4 billion मीन 1 अरब आइसोमर होता है अगर कार्बन एटम की तादाद 30 हो जाए. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द आइसोमर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल ब्यूटेन, it has 4 carbon atom, it has 2 isomers. Now next one is pentane, it has 5 carbon atom and it has 3 isomers. In the case of hexane, 6 carbon atom, it has 5 isomers. In the case of heptane, 7 carbon atoms, it has 9 isomers. In the case of octane, number of carbon atoms are 8 and it has 18 isomers. In the case of nonane, it has 9 carbon atom and it has 35 isomer. But in the case of decane, when carbon atoms are increases to 10, it has 75 isomers. My dear students, जैसे जैसे हम कार्बन एटम की तादाद को इंक्रीज़ करते जाते हैं तो आइसोमर की तादाद में बड़ी तेज़ी के साथ इजाफा होता है. When we increase the number of carbon atom up to 30, then there will be number of isomer will increases up to 4 billion. अगर कार्बन एटम की तादाद 30 होगी तो 4 बिलियन आइसोमर्स होंगे. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द टाइप्स ऑफ आइसोमरिज्म. देयर आर बेसिकली 2 टाइप्स ऑफ आइसोमरिज्म. Number 1, structural isomerism, and number 2, cis trans isomerism. First of all, we will discuss the structural isomerism. Structural isomerism, first of all, what is structural isomerism? It is the type of isomerism which have same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms within a molecule. It is the type of isomerism which have same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms within a molecule. Structural isomerism has 5 types. There are 5 types of structural isomerism. Number 1, chain isomerism. Number 2, position isomerism. Number 3, functional isomerism. Number 4, metamerism. And number 5, tautomerism. We will discuss these 5 types one by one. Now, number 1, chain isomerism. First of all, it is also a short question. What is chain isomerism? Give examples as well. Now, those isomers which have same molecular formula but different nature of carbon atom in the chain. Those isomers which have same molecular formula but different nature of chain of carbon atoms is called chain isomerism. For example, N-pentane, for example, pentane which have molecular formula C5H12. It has 3 isomers. N-pentane, it is a straight chain compound, straight chain. And number second one is isopentane. It has 1 branch. It has 1 branch. And number third isomer is neopentane. It has 4 branches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I will describe N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane in next chapter in the isomerism. That इनको किस तरह हम नेमिंग देते हैं, नाम इनके किस तरह रखते हैं. All 3 isomers have same molecular formula but different arrangement but different nature of chain in the carbon atoms. This is called chain isomerism. They are called chain isomers and phenomenon is called chain isomerism. My dear viewers, the next type of isomerism is position isomerism. It is the type of structural isomerism which has same molecular formula but different position of double bond or triple bond or functional group in a molecule. This is called position isomerism. Now I will explain it with the help of examples. Now let us take the example of 1-butene. This is 1-butene. It has 1 double bond in position number 1, and this is 2-butene. Double bond, we have shifted double bond from position number 1 to position number 2. When it comes over here, it is known as 2-butene. Both have same molecular formula C4H10, but they have different position of double bond in the structure of the compounds. And now I will give you the example that position of functional group, if it is different, then how it will become the position isomerism. If position of say for example, this is 1-propanol. Here it is the propane. When we add OH group with this propane and N-propane, then it is known as 1-propanol because OH bond, OH functional group, hydroxyl functional group is attached with carbon 1. Therefore, it is known as 1-propanol. And when we shift this OH group to number 2 carbon atom, central carbon atom, this OH group is shifted here, and therefore it is known as 2-propanol. And both these groups, 1-propanol and 2-propanol, both have different position of functional group. And this is all about the position isomerism, and these are known as position isomers, and the phenomenon is called position isomerism. My dear students and my dear viewers, now the next type of isomerism is functional group isomerism. One thing which is similar in all the 5 types of functional structural isomerism, that all the 5 isomers have same molecular formula. Functional group isomerism, first of all, what is functional group isomerism? Those molecules which have same molecular formula but different functional groups are called functional group isomers. For example, in functional group isomerism, you may see that it is ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH, it is called ethyl alcohol, and in this group, in this organic compound, which we have attached hydroxyl functional group OH, and the molecular formula of ethyl alcohol is C2H6O, but we may also write this molecular formula as CH3OCH3, and this is called ether. But both dimethyl ether and ethyl alcohol have same molecular formula, but here the functional group is different. This is called functional group isomerism. Now I am going to give you another example, that this is CH3, Ci2, C double bond OH. This is aldehyde. When aldehyde is attached with ethane, it is known as propanaldehyde. And in the second example, you may see, if we write this CH3, C double bond O, CH3, and here carbonyl functional group is attached, but it is known as, due to presence of carbonyl functional group, carbonyl group, and both carbon atoms are attached on the both sides, it is known as ketone. In the first example it is aldehyde, and in the second example it is ketone. Both propanaldehyde and propanone, that is ketone, they have same molecular formula C3H6O, but different functional groups. They are called functional group isomers, and the phenomenon is called functional group isomerism. Dear students and my dear viewers, the next type which we are going to discuss is metamerism. It is an important short question. What is metamerism? Explain it with the help of examples. Number 1. What is metamerism? Those molecules which have same molecular formula but show different arrangement of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group. For example, this is diethyl ether. Both ethyl groups are attached on the and in the center there is oxygen group, therefore it is called ether, and its name is diethyl ether. But you may see that two carbon atoms are attached on the right side of the oxygen atom, and two carbon atoms are attached on the left side of the oxygen atom. Therefore equal number of carbon atoms are attached on both sides. Now if we shift this oxygen, that is ether group, to that carbon atom, then one carbon atom is present on the left side of the functional group, and 3 carbon atoms are present on the right side of the ether functional group. Therefore the name of that compound is methyl N-propyl ether, and they have same molecular formula but different carbon atoms on both sides of functional group. This is called metamerism. And number 2, second example, you may see that this is carbonyl group. When carbonyl group is attached on the both sides of the carbon atom, it is known as ketone. And here you may see in this example, two carbon atoms are attached on the left side of the functional group and two carbon atoms are attached on the right side of the functional group, and the name of the organic compound is diethyl ketone. But if we shift this carbonyl group to this position, then one carbon atom is attached on the left side of the function of the carbonyl group and three carbon atoms are attached on the right side of the functional group. Therefore, they have no, its position is different. Therefore, we may name it as methyl N-propyl ketone. This is diethyl ketone and this is methyl N-propyl ketone. And now you may also see that I have given you two examples. One example is of ether and other example is of ketones. That both ether and ketone show phenomenon of metamerism. My dear students and my dear viewers, the next and last type of structural isomerism is tautomerism. It is the type of structural isomerism which have same molecular formula, but it is produced due to shifting a proton from one atom to another atom within the same molecule. For example, I will give you the example of amino acid. Amino acid has this is the amino acid. It has all alkyl group, it has COOH group and it has Ni2 group. Now COOH group has the ability to donate this proton, donate this hydrogen atom, and NH2 group has nitrogen atom, and you know nitrogen has lone pair on it and nitrogen has the ability to accept the proton. So COH will donate the proton and Ni2 will accept the proton. Therefore, due to shifting a proton from this group to this group within the same molecule, a coordinate covalent bond is produced, and as a result, two poles will be created. One pole, one negative charge is created on C double bond O, and positive pole, positive charge is created on NH2 group. It is converted into Ni3. Therefore, it is also called as dipolar form of amino acid. It is produced from amino acid. This is called dipolar form of amino acid. This dipolar form of amino acid is called zwitterion. It is also a short question. What is zwitterion? Zwitterion is the dipolar form of amino acid. You will give this equation as well along with its description. Now, then when a proton will transfer from one atom to another atom within the same molecule, then these isomers which are produced are called tautomers, and the phenomenon is called tautomerism. My dear students, these are five different types of structural isomerism: chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism, metamerism and tautomerism. They are all different short questions, and we will discuss the second type of isomerism, which is called cis-trans isomerism or geometrical isomerism, in next video. My dear students, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching my video.